Counter right here with Vice President of the Boise State Rodeo Club, as well as trying to create an awareness of the affiliation that the rodeo club shares with the football team, which is a great, great deal. College rodeo is not often associated as a varsity sport. Yeah. Yes, ma'am. I tell you what, ladies and gentlemen, how about it? A legit first cut right there. What do you think, Chud? Here we go, friends. Let her know about it right here. She's only got 7 seconds left. Come on. Making a great run. Ladies and gentlemen, Chelsi Horton. She's our BSU cowgirl right here. Chelsi, thank you.